Hi everyone. Welcome back to English Step by Step. Today we're diving into something creative and exciting, poetry writing. Let's get started. What is poetry? Poetry is a way to express feelings, tell stories, or paint pictures with words. It doesn't always follow strict rules, but it often uses rhythm, imagery, and structure to create meaning. Think of it as a way to take ordinary language and make it extraordinary. Types of poems. There are many types of poems. Here are three popular ones. 1. Haiku, a short, three-line poem with a 5-7-5 syllable structure, often about nature. 2. Free verse, no set rhyme or rhythm, just free-flowing thoughts and emotions. 3. Rhyming poetry, follows a rhyme scheme. Choose a type that feels natural to you or suits what you want to express. Elements of a good poem. 1. Imagery. Use words that paint pictures in the reader's mind. For example, instead of saying "the night is dark," you could say "the moon hides behind a curtain of clouds." 2. Emotion. A good poem makes the reader feel something. Think about what emotion you want to convey. Joy, sadness, wonder, and let that guide your words. 3. Sound and rhythm. Even if your poem doesn't rhyme, it should have a flow. Read it aloud to check how it sounds. 4. Structure. Decide how your poem will look. Will it have stanzas? A specific length? Structure can add to the meaning of your poem. Let's write a poem together using these steps. 1. Choose a topic. Think about something meaningful to you. For this lesson, let's write about a rainy day. 2. Brainstorm ideas. Jot down words or phrases related to your topic. For rain, we could write pitter-patter, gray skies, cold breeze, puddles reflecting the world. 3. Write your first draft. Combine your ideas into lines. Don't worry about perfection. Here's an example. The sky weeps softly, puddles mirror the world above. A melody of drops fills the air. 4. Edit and refine. Read your draft aloud. Does it flow? Does it capture the feeling you want? Adjust words or lines if needed. Now let's look at 3 more examples for inspiration. Example 1. Topic: a starry night. The stars waltz in the velvet sky, a cosmic dance both vast and shy. Dreams hitch a ride on the Milky Way, guiding lost souls till the break of day. Example 2. Topic: a snowy morning. A blanket of white hugs the earth, footsteps trace where silence gave birth. The air bites sharp, crisp, and cold. Winter's beauty, soft yet bold. Example 3. Topic: a blooming garden. The garden wakes to the sun's warm glow, petals unfurl, putting on their show. Bees hum softly, a lullaby in flight, nature's symphony of color and light. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and write a poem about your favorite season. Example 1. Favorite season: spring. Spring whispers softly through the trees, blossoms sway in the gentle breeze. The earth awakens, vibrant and new, a canvas painted in every hue. Example 2. Favorite season: autumn. Golden leaves fall in a crisp ballet, the scent of cinnamon drifts my way. Nature lets go, prepares for sleep, a fleeting beauty, quiet and deep. Example 3. Favorite season: summer. The sun embraces with golden rays, children laugh through endless days. Waves kiss the shore with a rhythmic tune. Summer fades too fast, gone too soon. Here are some final tips. 1. Don't overthink. Write what comes to your heart. 2. Experiment with different styles and topics. 3. Read your poem aloud to feel its rhythm and flow. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to English Step by Step. Don't forget to share your poems in the comments. I'd love to read them.